Hello students, this is Kanika. Welcome to my channel Prep Biology. So today in this lecture we are going to discuss Chargaff's rule. Okay, so let's start the lecture. Erwin Chargaff, in 1950, Erwin Chargaff was a scientist. He formulated some rules regarding the base pairing of the DNA. We know that the Watson and Crick gave the double-stranded model of the DNA. Okay, and we know that there are different bases, nucleotide bases present in the DNA structure. So Chargaff or Erwin Chargaff formulated some rules regarding the base pairing of the DNA, how the bases are attached in the structure of the DNA. So we know that there are two kinds of nucleotide bases, purines and pyrimidines. Under the purines we have adenine and guanine. Under the pyrimidines we have thymine, cytosine and uracil. Okay, so this difference between the purines and pyrimidines is very important. Under the purines we have adenine and guanine. You can learn with this AG mnemonic, and under the pyrimidine we have the CUT mnemonic, that is C cytosine, uracil and thymine. Okay, so this is the difference between the purines and pyrimidines. Okay, so how these purines and pyrimidines are attached with each other in the DNA structure, they are formulated by the Erwin Chargaff. Okay, so let's start the rules. Chargaff's rules. First rule of the Chargaff is the number of purines are equal to the number of pyrimidines. We know that under the purines we have Ag, that is A plus G, is equal to pyrimidines, that is C plus T. Why uracil is not there? Because uracil is present in the RNA, not in the DNA. So we are talking about the double-stranded DNA structure. So the first rule of the Chargaff is number of purines are equal to the number of pyrimidines. Means A plus G is equal to C plus T. Or we can say that A plus G upon C plus T is equal to 1. This is the first rule of the Chargaff. Second rule of the Chargaff is the number of adenines are equal to the number of thymine, and the number of guanines are equal to the number of cytosine. That we all know that in the DNA structure, the cytosine pairs with the guanine and the adenine pairs with the thymine, and adenine and thymine having the double bond, cytosine and guanine having the triple bond between them. This is very important. So the second Chargaff rule is the number of adenines are equal to number of thymine and number of guanines are equal to number of cytosine. So we can say that A by T, that is adenine by thymine, is equal to 1, or G by C is equal to 1, that is guanine by cytosine is equal to 1. So third rule of the Chargaff is the base ratios. The base ratios, that is the A plus T by G plus C. This is the base ratio. Okay, the base ratios means A plus T divided by G plus C. They may vary from species to species, but for a particular species it is constant. Okay, so A plus T divided by G plus C is equal to constant, or we all can say that A plus T are rarely equal to G plus C. This base ratios vary from species to species, but in the particular species, or for the given species, the A plus T, the base ratios are constant. So these are the three rules given by the Chargaffs. Okay, and one most important thing is this Chargaff rule is only applied for double-stranded DNA. Okay, so this Chargaff rule is only applied for double-stranded DNA. This is very, very important. I hope these three rules of the Chargaffs is clear to you all, and difference between the pyrimidines and purines are clear to you all. Okay, in the next lecture we will discuss some numericals related to the Chargaff's rules. Okay, so if you like this lecture, like, share and subscribe my channel, that is Prep Biology. Thank you so much.